Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So again in this video, here we'll see how you will be able to update the tag. Like suppose you want to put this particular captcha one on the above of this login button, then how will you be able to do that? Okay, so in the previous video you saw everything automated. You have to change manually, but in this video we'll try something doing the modification in the code manually. Okay, so let me come to the first directory structure. So once you will come within your project directory, then you will have the src directory. Then for the pages we have a separate pages for everything, correct? And that page is, and this page is of login. So I can search here for the login. Yeah, you see here, this is the one. I can open this one. Okay, so got it. So let me minimize the Copilot automation. This. So you see here, what is this captcha, and this is password, this is error, and this is button. Okay, so I can simply cut this one from here and paste after this and save. You can keep the thing formatted here. So if you don't make it formatted, it will not be easy to understand whenever you next time visit on this page. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so the moment you save here, I have set up in the way it will be automatically refreshed. Now you see you have this, correct? Now I want to remove this particular what is, I don't need this one. So of course for that it is written here. Okay, so make the correction and change, and also I want to put a space here. Okay, so I want to make one space and equal to sign like this. Correct? So now you see it is coming properly. So I can put here 5, then login. Got it? So this is how you'll be able to make the modification on any pages you have developed. Okay, so this is Ionic and we are trying here the mobile development, and this is how you'll be able to make your modification manually on any pages. Now similar way, in case you have to make modification on the order page, you can also do that. Okay, now sometimes you'll find nothing is being changed once you do, but again in that case you will have to serve again. So Ionic serve, and it will reopen your project like this, correct? Now in the coming video we'll try filling this space. We can list out here all of my whatever the item I am selling, I can add there. Okay, so this is order now. So I want this, I have this item I am selling here. So some of these item we can display there on the home page, on this page. Okay, so including the image. So currently we don't have facility to add these items, so this is coming static. So we'll also see here in the coming video how you'll be able to make that happen, so that you can add your items here. Okay, so that's it from this video. Hopefully you will have learned something. In case you need any help, you can text me here on the comment area. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.